A new day and a new room to review. And the room that I'm going to review today is from the hotel 4 Points by Sheraton in Visakhapatnam. But before I get started, let me quickly turn around and show the view from outside the window. So this is basically the window that I have to my room, and this is the view that I get from here. Now the sea is around 1.5 kilometers away from here, and hence this hotel does not provide a sea view. I do have the swimming pool on the right hand side, but then that's barely visible. It's pouring down really heavily, and hence we cannot see the small hills or mountains that we usually can see if the day is clear. So since it is raining heavily and we are room bound, I thought why not use this opportunity to show you around the room. Guys, this is the first look of the room, and it is really a pleasant one. The size of this room is 30 square meters, and it is called the deluxe room. Thanks to the glass wall that we have over there that separates the bedroom from the bathroom, this room gets a little elongated and a spacious look. Now if I were to quickly start off from this end, the first thing that we can see is a beautiful wooden business table where I can sit and do my work. Now what most hotels do is they put this particular table over there under the television that leaves a very little walking space between the bed and the television itself. So Sheraton has really effectively utilized their space in terms of the business table. We have got drawers over here for your storage. And one thing again that is thumbs up about this particular table or this particular room is the outputs that we have got over here. We have got HDMI, we have got the regular output, USB charger, so you can plug in your laptop and directly present it on the television. Moving further, we have got a very comfortable looking lounger with a footrest. You can sit here, read your book, have your food, do anything that you want. It is really comfortable. Quickly moving on to the side table. It is a compact one, but a powerhouse at that. Now this is a very interesting feature that I got to see over here. This is kind of an electronic control center from where I can control all the lights as well as the air condition from a touch of a button right from the side of my bed. Now if I were to show you how this works, the bathroom lights are currently on. With just the press of a button I can switch it off or switch it on, and that is pretty much true for the entire room. So yes, that is a very big thumbs up. I do not have to get down every time I want to switch on or switch off a light. The king size bed, very comfortable. I have already slept here for a night and I really had a very good sleep. Moving on to the television, a standard Sony television which looks to be about 32 inches in size. We have got an Airtel set-top box, but unfortunately there is no HD channel coming, so that is a bit of a letdown. Moving on to our tea and coffee section. One good addition over here is the Dilma tea. They do not have a local tea. They have put in Dilma, which is one of the best teas in the world. So again, that's a very big thumbs up from my end. This is the regular kettle that we have for heating water. Again, drawer. And over here, the mini bar. It is really encased in a beautiful wooden cover. You have to pull it out, and then you have the mini bar, which is stocked with all your beverages, chocolates and everything else that is required. We also have some snack options over here. Moving on, we have this granite slab for the luggage placement that is regular, and then we have the wardrobe over here. Now the wardrobe is pretty spacious, and it again has got drawers, it has got the safe, it has got a preloaded iron set and also the iron table. You can dry your clothes over there as well. So again, the space that is there for storing your material or your essentials is very extensive in this particular room. Quickly coming to the washroom. Now this is something that has really impressed me. Very limited space, but they have power packed it with all the necessary amenities that are required in a washroom. To start off, we have the loofah, we have your body lotion and soap. I think these are specially packed for 4 Points by Sheraton, and it is not any special brand, so never mind, it is good. You have your regular vanity kit and the shower caps. Now one very interesting thing over here was the use of biodegradable packs. Now this is a plastic pack, but this is apparently biodegradable, which really leaves almost no imprint on the nature. So that is a very positive thing to see from such a star hotel. Here you have your focus mirror, and here you have your regular round mirror. This is entire, it lights up. There's the lighting over here inside. Coming quickly to the shower area, we have the regular shower head over here. And another interesting thing over here is the use of dispensers instead of those small plastic bottles which are generally used. What this does is, it is cost effective for the hotel, plus it is also environment friendly because you do not have to dispose of those bottles time and again. Again, a pretty small washroom but very effectively done, and that is again a very good sign about this particular room. So that is In short about the room. Now coming to the hotel itself, it is a 4-star hotel and is located in one of the main locations in Vizag. It is around 1.5 kilometers from the beach, but it is very easily accessible. What is noteworthy about this property is its staff. Very good, very cooperative. Yesterday we came in here at 9 a.m. in the morning and we were given an immediate check-in without fuss. And if a hotel is giving you such early check-ins, then you can be rest assured that they are going to take really good care of you. And that is what the staff over here does. They are very cooperative, very soft-spoken, and they make you feel welcome at every point when they interact with you. So guys, if you are coming to Vizag, then this hotel can be the one where you are actually ending up staying. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, please press the like button, and please keep sharing the videos. Thank you so much and look forward to see you again.